Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can install Bluetooth driver on your Windows 11 or 10. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. It is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is simply check your version of processor on your PC, for which what we're going to do is simply right click on this PC that you can see right here. So we're going to simply right click on this PC, and after doing that, here you can see the option of properties. Click on properties. And now then here you can see your properties of your laptop will show. And in here you can see processor right here. Like this, you will know what processor that you are using currently. Here you can see currently it is 11th gen Intel Core. So after we know that it is using the Intel processor, we're going to now go back and open any kind of browser. And here you can see I have opened the browser. Now we're going to go to the search bar and then start typing Intel Core Bluetooth driver. So here you can see I have typed that down. Now we're going to click on the enter button. And then here you can see this is the official website of Intel. So we're going to click on this website just like this. And after doing that, here you can see wireless Bluetooth driver for Windows 10 and 11. Here you can see it is written here. So now you can scroll down and see the download option right here. So all you have to do is simply click on the download option and then the download process will begin. Just like this. And now we're going to click on I accept the terms of the license agreement. And now here you can see the download process has begun. So within few seconds, the download process will be completed just like this. Here you can see, now you can simply open this. Then you will get this type of pop-up. Simply click on yes. And now all we have to do is simply follow the instructions. So click on next. And here you can see, again, click on next. And now again, select the I accept the term in the license agreement and then click on next. After doing that, here you'll get three type of options. So this is the customization or simply complete option. I would recommend you guys to simply select this, a typical option just like this, and then click on install. After doing that, here you can see now the installation process has begun. And now we're going to click on finish in order to set up. So after we've done that process, we have now successfully installed Bluetooth driver on our PC. Now you can simply just open your device manager on your computer in order to check it. So we're going to do just that. Simply open device manager. And in here you can see the Bluetooth option. We're going to expand it. And after expanding it, here you can see Realtek Bluetooth 42 adapter. And just like this, you can install Bluetooth driver on your Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.